Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Heart's Desire, Newfoundland is a charming town nestled by the sea, with rich history. It became an official town in 1978. Legend has it that it was named after a pirate ship captured by a Newfoundland skipper way back in 1620. Traditionally, folks here have lived off the sea and the land. Nowadays, some work in the local fishery, while others commute to nearby towns for jobs. One of the town's cherished spots is the Shrine to Our Lady of Lourdes, built in 1989. It's a peaceful place with a statue of the Blessed Virgin Mary and Saint Bernadette, surrounded by blooming flowers in the summer. A place of solace and reflection for the people here. Heart's Desire truly captures the essence of Newfoundland charm and community spirit. Stay tuned as we discover more of this wonderful town.
Thanks for watching!